So we start off today's video with someone who has a bob haircut. Oh, wow. And she decided to switch things up with this trendy pixie style. Oh, she looks absolutely breathtaking. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more fall hairstyle ideas. Here we see this gorgeous pink cholet style, followed by another hair transformation. So it looks like she decided to get some color with this one. Very nice, simple and chic. A little bit of layers added within the cutting. Very nice. I love her new shape and texture with the style. Gorgeous. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So I thought that this next hairstyle was very interesting. She's going to be adding some copper to her hair. This is a great way to implement some color without actually dyeing your hair. You're going to use some hair extensions in order to create that pop. Such a fun vibe. I love this style idea. So next up, we have someone else who decided to try out a 90s inspired look, and that includes 90s layers. Very nice, and her hair looks absolutely stunning, very volumized and full. Brilliant transformation. So here we have someone rocking this gorgeous pink style bob. So the stylist is creating more of like that tousled effect with the way that she is curling the hair. I love the fact that she's showing the client how to style it herself at home. I think not enough stylists do this. And she's got like that nice, shaggy, wispy, tousled feel to the hair. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these fall hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.